The purpose of this safety video is to discuss hand safety. Hands are the most frequently injured body part. The most common cause of hand injuries is improper hand and finger positioning. The hands are the most frequently injured part of the body. 1/3 of all oil and gas industry incidents are hand injuries. Gloves used by oil and gas industry workers include rubber, leather, cloth, high visibility, and specialty gloves. Examples of hazards include fires, extreme temperatures, electricity, and corrosives. Choose the right glove for the task at hand. These factors are temperature protection, grip requirements, and size and comfort. Never use your hands as tools. Hand tools are meant to help you. Avoid working close to someone cutting. Always cut away from your body and look out for your coworkers. Personal protective equipment ensures you are using the correct gloves. There is no single glove type that protects your hands from every potential hazard. Replace gloves immediately if any defects or damage is found. Focus your inspections on holes, shredding, and excessive buildup of dirt or other materials. Protective hand and arm equipment include gloves, finger guards, and arm coverings. Hands are also exposed to many hazards, such as cuts from sharp objects, smashing and pinch points from moving machinery. Be sure to remove or bend down protruding nails, splinters, and sharp edges from materials before working with them. Hands need to stay free of grease and oils. Washing your hands right away is needed if grease or oil gets on them. Chemicals must be handled with using proper gloves for safe measures. Rings and jewelry must be removed to prevent the possibility of being caught in the machinery. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and do not remove the machine guard unless authorized, and never use broken guards. Fixed guards provide a barrier between the operator and the moving parts. Interlocked guards shut off the power, and stops the moving parts, and prevents the machine from starting when the guard is open. Adjustable guards provide a barrier that can be adjusted to accommodate different production processes. The self-adjusting barrier moves in accordance with the size of the stock. Entering the danger area. Always check the area first where your hands and fingers are about to be placed for sharp objects and pinpoints. This concludes another CMS safety video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Let us know what you think.